Samsung's next flagship lineup is already becoming one of the biggest talking points in the smartphone world. Even though the Galaxy S26 series has only recently arrived, fresh leaks are now giving us an early look at what Samsung could be planning for the Galaxy S27 family, and the changes sound far more ambitious than anyone expected. Instead of simply adding bigger hardware upgrades every year, Samsung may be shifting its attention towards smarter software, advanced artificial intelligence, and a refreshed lineup that introduces an entirely new Pro model. One of the biggest rumored changes involves the Galaxy S27 Ultra's camera setup. Samsung's Ultra phones have featured 4 rear cameras for several generations, offering multiple focal lengths and flexible zoom options. However, the latest reports suggest that this long-standing design could finally change with the Galaxy S27 Ultra. According to current leaks, the phone could include a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens capable of delivering 5 times optical zoom. Noticeably absent from that list is the dedicated 3 times telephoto camera that has been part of Samsung's flagship Ultra devices for years. At first glance, removing a camera may sound like a step backward. After all, having more lenses usually means greater flexibility. But Samsung reportedly has a different strategy in mind. Rather than relying on an extra telephoto sensor, the company could use the massive resolution of its 200-megapixel main camera together with improved AI processing to create detailed mid-range zoom images. In other words, Samsung wants software to replace hardware. Instead of adding another physical lens, advanced computational photography could produce similar or even better results through intelligent image processing. If these rumors are accurate, it would mark another major step toward AI-powered smartphone photography. Design rumors are also generating plenty of discussion. Over the past few months, several concept renders have shown the Galaxy S27 Ultra featuring a large horizontal camera bar stretching across the back of the phone. While the design certainly looks modern, recent reports claim those renders are not based on Samsung's finalized hardware. Sources suggest Samsung is currently testing multiple prototypes before choosing the final design. That means the finished Galaxy S27 Ultra could look quite different from the images circulating online today. Another exciting rumor involves a brand new Galaxy S27 Pro model. Samsung is reportedly planning to position this device between the Galaxy S27 Plus and the Galaxy S27 Ultra, creating a new premium option for buyers. The reasoning behind this move is easy to understand. Many users want flagship-level performance and premium features without buying Samsung's largest phone or paying for features like the built-in S Pen that they may never use. The Galaxy S27 Pro could offer a balanced alternative. Leaks indicate the phone may feature a 6.47-inch AMOLED display, an upgraded 16-megapixel front-facing camera, and several premium features borrowed directly from the Ultra model. If Samsung prices it competitively, the Pro version could quickly become one of the most attractive devices in the entire Galaxy lineup. The processor strategy is also expected to change. Samsung is rumored to bring Exynos processors back to more global markets with the introduction of the Exynos 2700 chipset. The new processor is expected to be manufactured using Samsung's second-generation 2nm process, promising improved power efficiency and stronger performance. Reports also mention a new side-by-side packaging technology that places the processor and memory closer together. This design could improve heat management, reduce power consumption, and boost overall performance during demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and AI processing. However, not every region may receive the same chipset. Current rumors suggest that the Galaxy S27, Galaxy S27 Plus, and Galaxy S27 Pro could use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor in the United States, while many international markets may receive the Exynos 2700 instead. Galaxy S27 Ultra, meanwhile, is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 globally, ensuring Ultra buyers receive the same flagship-level performance regardless of where they purchase the device. Samsung may also introduce a feature that focuses less on specifications and more on everyday usability. According to recent reports, every Galaxy S27 model could include a built-in privacy display. This technology limits viewing angles, making it much harder for people nearby to see what's on your screen while using your phone in public places like airports, trains, offices, or coffee shops. Although it may not be as eye-catching as a new camera or processor, it could become one of the most practical additions to Samsung's flagship lineup. As always, it's worth remembering that these details come from early leaks and industry reports. Samsung has not officially announced the Galaxy S27 series, and the company could still change its plans before the expected launch in early 2027. Even so, the rumors paint a very interesting picture. Smarter AI photography, a simplified camera system, a new Pro model, upgraded chipsets, and enhanced privacy features could make the Galaxy S27 series one of Samsung's most significant flagship upgrades in years. What do you think? Would you be happy if Samsung removed the dedicated 3x camera and relied on AI instead? Or would you rather keep the traditional 4-camera setup? Let us know your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, comparisons, and the latest tech updates.